something different. I usually don't wear my glasses because of the glare that's from my ring light. I usually wear my contacts, but since this is going to be a glasses review, I said, let me put my glasses on. I said, why not wear my usual prescription glasses? These are in my box set. These are from my actual doctor, my eye doctor. We ordered from, I guess, Nicole Miller. And they are dirty right now. My own Bedford. And I had this for about 3 to 4 years now. I bought some glasses from EyeBuyDirect. I ordered all 3 of my glasses on EyeBuyDirect all at one time on March the 26th. And today is April the 2nd. It just came in the mail. And I really, I was scared because I was reading reviews after I bought it saying that it'll come a month later, and then, you know, with the coronavirus going on, I was scared of that, you know, it would have been out of stock, or they would have just took my money and said nothing based on some reviews. But it came pretty quickly that I thought it would take 2 to 3 to 4 weeks to come. But yeah, it came in a week. And let me get straight to the business. Okay, so I got my hair shears to help open this up, get some of that tape off of there. Like I said, you know, the virus is going on, of course. So we did spray and wipe it down because I'm a healthcare worker. I can't take, you know, risk. I know people will be like, that's a little extreme, but like I said, I'm a healthcare worker. I'm needed in my job, and plus, I moved back with my parents in January, and they're a little bit older. They had me in their 30s, so I want to be cautious of what I bring around them as well. So I'm gonna show you guys what I ordered. This is one style that I got called Curie, and I got it in brown. It is large. Okay, I got single vision distance, and the glass is clear, but the coating is blue light filter with UV protection. So the price was $36, but with all the other stuff that I added to it, added another $19 to it. For all of my glasses, I put for my vision minus 2.5 because that's what it says on my contacts. These other contacts I wear, this is where I got it from. I saw that it said minus 2.5, so I was like, well, I hope this is right because I don't feel like calling up my doctor or nothing. And plus, I really got these glasses for fashion, so keep that in mind. And for the PD, I did put 62 for all of them. I just looked up what's the average for women. I don't care what it is. Anyways, okay, the next one I got is Alba, and I got it in light tortoise, and it was $48 by itself, and it is a large glasses in size. And of course, same old single vision distance minus 2.5 with 62 point distance. Okay, that's what PD stands for. And I got the lenses in clear. I didn't add anything special to it with anti-glare coating. And that was an extra $6.95. So yeah, the other style in small chillax, and it is in red floral, and it was for $15 by itself. And it is small glasses compared to the other ones for large. This one is small. And same single vision distance, same thing. And for this one, actually, it is photochromic gray. So when I'm inside, it will be like regular glasses. When I go outside, it will turn to shades, which is pretty cool. I'm ready to see how that works. The photochromic gray, that's an extra $35.95. And for the thickness, I got 1.57 index, and that's an extra $16.95. So that's that. Now we get into opening the boxes. And in no particular order, I don't know which ones I'm opening. Alright, there's another box. And it's a string to pull it out. And then it comes inside of this. Thank you for your purchase, Bobby Blase. I'm nervous. I don't know why. Okay. Let's see. This is a cleaning couch. And this is a cleaning cloth in the pouch. Oh gosh, I'm so scared. Okay. Hold on. Let me get my wipes real quick. Even though I already touched it, I can still wash my hands after it. But anyways, I'll be right back. Okay, like I said, I'm a healthcare worker who live with my 60-year-old parents, and I'm not taking no chance. So I got my disinfectant wipes. Okay. Okay. And I can already tell that it's not the best of quality, but I mean, you get what you pay for. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna try these on first, and it is my, wow, I can see, yeah, this is actually my correct vision. I mean, so this is the first one, and I did get the blue light thing. I don't know what it's called. It is style number 1. As you can see, I had the blue light filter. You can kind of tell just by the glare from the ring light. So that's cool. It's supposed to like help with your vision when you're looking at screens all day, like my phone or my laptop, which is cool. So I got that. These are cool. Moving on to the next one. I like these a lot though. Alright, I'm gonna open up the next one. Oh, like I was trying to say, I can tell that these are not the best of quality. And what I mean by that is it was kind of on the brittle, flimsy side. So the most I can say about that is just be careful. And don't be too rough with your glasses. Like, it's delicate. Next one. And these are, it's funny that I'm actually opening them in the order that I showed you guys. Anyways, let me put these on. I got these in just regular vision, but it looks like it has the blue light filter in it, but I'm not sure. If it does, then I ain't gonna complain, right? Alright, I'm gonna put these on. I feel like I'm gonna look like Spike Lee. Okay, let me. Yeah, I can also see. So yeah, definitely got my correct vision on there. I'm so happy about that. I probably am like there. Like, it would definitely depend on what the outfit I'm wearing to wear these. Like, I have to be on some, like, you know, some vintage, like, hair up. Yeah, I like these a lot, actually. I like both of those. So yeah, moving on to the next one. It's supposed to be small. They came out to be way different than what I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like super black and like very like, you know, I thought it was gonna be very noticeable that the flowers were gonna be on there like on the picture. And I'm actually happy that it doesn't look so noticeably, because I was like, I don't want to look childish with these floral black glasses. These are in small. It's supposed to be the photochromic ones, but I hope they didn't forget and just gave me all blue light. Let me just put it on. Okay. This is how they're looking. Cute. But I gotta see. I gotta go outside because I'm gonna be something after this. Okay. I'm outside and I don't see no photo from nothing. I'm actually mad. So yeah, I think that they gave all my glasses the blue light, whatever. But and that would be cool if I hadn't paid an extra $50 or whatever I paid for what I asked for. So I'll probably be returning these. Okay, I'm back. It's another week or so. I returned I got 2 new pairs of glasses that I just ordered.
This time I'm really going off fireworks.